All right, guys. So let's talk about DNS on domain name service resolution. So, so Nmap. So Nmap by default, it will be identify all DNS of the systems. They will going to check the DNS system. So let's go jump on back to the PowerShell and let's go to see how it works. So if we don't want to like it, so just we don't want to reverse or the name resolution, so we can disable it. How? So here I will show you guys how we can going to disable. So I'm using the same IP address for scan, right? So this is the IP address for uh, the scanme.org, right? So just I'm using this IP address. See how it is really helpful, the PowerShell. So I'm just running this. What I'm doing, I'm going to clear. Excuse me. So I'm going to run this command. So this is nmap the IP address. So this is the IP address of what? So scanme dot. So here is they will. So here you guys we see like here is the nmap. I did the resolution. So here is. So I just put the IP address of just only IP address, but the nmap. So what did it? They will scan. So and they will be give you reverse of the IP address. So I put the IP address and they will give me the reverse DNS name. So it's uh, skinme.nmap.org. So and then let's go and disable this the DNS resolution or reverse. So I'm just disabled. So it should be the simple, the same. Um, excuse me. So I'm just going to put what? So nmap dash n. So dash n, it will be going to. I'm saying that I want I want to disable the DNS resolution, okay? And I put the IP address dot 45 dot 33 dot 32 dot 156. So let's run this one. Excuse me, I think so. What's going on? Okay, yeah, as you guys see, say like nmap is not recognized because I put the wrong. Okay, sorry about that. All right, so guys, just make it. Of course, if you guys see this error and we have to read it and then nmap and then enter. So here is the resolution, how the resolution will be working. So we disabled the DNS resolution. Okay, here we go. So now we can see and just we are disable the DNS resolution means and we disable it. So yeah, so it is kind of really helpful. Okay, so and also like so in map it is using the system DNS flags or called operating system DNS. So they were using the operating system DNS too. So let's see that one. Okay, so let's try that one. So I'm just doing to right here. I'm just saving for you guys. So so the command is um, so the command is so the command is the same. So but it in map. So in map dash dash or minus minus system system dash DNS and the IP address that we want to uh, run. So I will say 45.33.32.156. So let's run this one. I just command back this one and save and run. So let's see. Okay, I'm getting so zero IP address also scanning in 30 seconds. So what's going on? So let's see. I put the system dot DNS. Oh yeah, I put the wrong IP address. So I do apologize. So then I put dot, and then here we go. So let's see. So these are really good. Like I will say, these are command are really good, helpful for especially like you guys doing daily basis scanning. So these are techniques that you are doing port scanning, right? So we can see there is the DNS resolution right here. And so in this time, it show my Windows using the Windows for DNS. So of course, you guys have knowledge of operating system. So operating system. So when we are searching a DNS on domain name, so it will be storing on the in our system. So for first time, it is kind of really long lecture. We have to go how the DNS is working the first time that the broadcast, and it is really long lecture. So, but I will say that when you searching for any domain or DNS, and it will be the next time it will be saving on your DNS or on your system. Okay. So now my system is I'm scanning this IP address in my system to get this DNS. Okay, so this is this command mean. So and also we are going to use the DNS server. Of course, you guys understanding about the client and server. So server it will be serving a DNS that we are going to host that server. So I'm just seeing how it will be working on a DNS flag or server flag on Nmap. So let's command this one and let's run right here. So the command is nmap, so nmap dash dash DNS dash server. So there is the server. Sorry, I put 2S so I won't get any problem. So any server, the IP address I'm using the public Google DNS server 8.8.8.8. So .8.8, that is the DNS of the Google. I'm scanning the same IP address of the same IP address. So 45.33.32.156. So let's run this one. I'm just going to save it and run. See? So yeah, we get the same result, but this time we are using the DNS of the Google. So why we do this? So this is get longer a little bit because we're using the different DNS, and so the purpose of we doing this, and we are see the performance of our DNS resolution that we are going to figure out about the resolution of our DNS. So it is really helpful. Of course, you will understanding of the DNS, how the DNS is performing. Okay, so yeah, I think so. That's it for DNS resolution, and thank you for watching. And I will discuss on the next video about TCP scanning with Nmap. So we are going to scanning TCP with Nmap, and see you guys on next video.